So far, we've seen that adaptive makes it easy to plan as a team, and that's an important element of active planning. In order to achieve the goal of active planning, your software has to be powerful enough to let you analyze everything from everywhere. And here's the reason why. As accounting periods close, there is incredible pressure to rapidly analyze and reliably communicate your organization's financial and operational performances. Adaptive delivers powerful interactive reports and dashboards, so all of your users can get self-serve answers to their ad hoc questions. With Adaptive, you'll achieve trustworthy results in record time. In the second demo story, let's imagine you're an executive and you want to understand how the organization is performing compared to plan as the books close on the first quarter. Let's say we're initially concerned about expenses, so we'll place our focus there first. After that, we'll dive into analysis of product revenue. As we head back to the instance, using Adaptive, it's never been easier to provide a complete self-serve reporting library for your organization. Adaptive lets your users easily gain visibility into the performance of their area while freeing up finance and IT's time for other tasks. Reports can be organized into folders for instant access to the most recent information. Rest assured that your organization's data remains safe. Adaptive applies strict access rights so users only see the data they require and sensitive information remains secure. Getting answers is easy as a click on a report link. Note that the report layout and formatting are completely customizable. You can design your reports to appear the way you want, holding only data you're interested in. Color-coded conditional report formats highlight trends and variances that require your immediate attention. They also drive accountability and ownership by clearly identifying exceptional performance, both good and bad. Embedded annotations enhance communication and collaboration among team members by keeping the numbers and insights side by side. Line notes can be directly added to the report, so it's easy to carry on a conversation about variances to plan. Cell notes entered in the data entry sheets during the planning process automatically flow into the report, so you don't have to pick up the phone and get the reason behind an unusual amount. Notes can be displayed in a column, as a footer, or in line, right next to the accounts they are associated with. The results discussions about performance occur effortlessly, and course correction can take place as soon as possible. So looking through the March variances, it's apparent that an unexpected expense lay within $65.50 other travel and entertainment. But now we want to know what part of the organization is responsible for the overages. We can easily pivot the report to show other T&E by department. Immediately, we see that Sales North is the biggest offender, but our analysis doesn't have to stop there. Let's uncover the story behind these numbers. First, we'll investigate the budget figure. We can clearly see from the comment in the formula itself that the value is based on last year plus inflation. Adaptive formulas in the Cell Explorer make it easy to understand how our budgets and plans are built, giving us confidence that the figures are correct. Now that I trust the budget amount, let's check the actual value. Without bothering someone in accounting, I can drill into the balance and get a detailed list of the transactions that make up that amount. Based on the description of that last voucher, it seems there's something wrong in the source data. Now it's time to call accounting. Now it's time to get answers to new questions. With the right permissions, any user can enter edit mode and tailor the report. We were curious about revenue performance, so we can simply drag those elements Now let's get answers to new questions. With the right permissions, any user can enter edit mode and tailor the report. If we're curious about revenue performance, we can simply drag those elements onto the report and press the run button and we can see how the view changes. And instantly, we see the results. We can see that there has been outstanding performance relative to plan and product revenue, particularly product group B. And we get that insight on our own without bugging finance or waiting on IT. Adding to the ease of the reuse reports, reports can be saved in a personal folder, or you can share them with other users of your adaptive model. Those shared reports are filtered based on roles and permissions, so users will never be able to see data that they shouldn't have access to. And that's the power of self-serve web-based reporting. Quickly and easily getting answers to your questions, knowing that you can investigate any number from anywhere. Now, ad hoc analysis of the numbers is great, but sometimes it's faster and easier to investigate trends and exceptions visually. Adaptive allows you to easily drive the right dashboards to the right audience. Each group can review and analyze the key performance indicators that drive performance in their part of the organization. We want to find out what's been selling and who's been buying. With interactive dashboards, we can get those answers in just a couple of clicks. Drilling into products for March actuals, we discover that product A1 is our best seller. Drilling into customers for product A1, we see that customer 1 is our biggest buyer of that product. That leads us to another question. Is customer 1 our largest customer overall? This time we'll go and click on the net product revenue, but drill into customer. We actually learn that customer 5 is our biggest client. And that's just the beginning of the discoveries we can make using interactive dashboards. Data can be presented and analyzed in a wide variety of visual styles: gauges, line graphs, bar charts, scorecards, pies, and donuts. You can even switch to presentation mode and step through the results one slide at a time. And when you want to see the numbers behind the pretty pictures, you can open the Excel Explorer. With powerful software from Adaptive, you'll achieve trustworthy results in record time. All your users can get self-serve answers to their ad hoc questions. With the ability to analyze everything from anywhere, you'll never worry about the results being right. Only in adaptive can you gain the granular insights into performance that allows you to make a material impact on your organization. That's what success looks like, where forecasts fall within a couple of percent of actuals.